In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an awesome halftone effect in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get started. First, click on the Open button and select the image you want. Then click on Open. Then to create a new layer, click on the New Layer icon. Now to select the Gradient tool, right-click and select the Gradient tool. Then click here to edit the gradient. I want black and white. To change the color, double-click on any color stop. Select the black color on the left side and the white color on the right side as shown in this video. Then click OK. Now we need a black and white gradient in this layer, so left-click from the center and drag the mouse pointer to the left side as shown in this video. Select a Move tool. Then right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Click on the Filter menu. Then pixelate and choose Color Halftone. Set the value as shown in this video. Then click OK. Now we need to change the blending mode, so click on the blending mode, then select the screen mode. And here the halftone effect is ready in Photoshop. I hope you like this video. If you like my video, hit like, subscribe and press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box. You can also watch other tutorials on my channel.